Looking for ideas on how to decorate your house for free? Hi everyone, I'm Belle. Welcome to Hampton, your house. With the cost of living rising rapidly at the moment, we're all feeling it. And so I wanted to bring you some beautiful DIYs that you can make at home for free or on a very tiny budget. If you're interested in seeing more ideas like this, I'd love for you to consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos in this series. Today I'm going to show you how to make some gorgeous decorative balls. These look amazing as shelf decor or on a coffee table, and they have sort of a driftwood vibe, so these are really great for coastal and Hampton style decor, but they'd work in any style really, depending on what color you paint them. Here's how to make your decorative ball. First, go outside and collect a bunch of sticks slightly bigger than 1/2 centimeter in diameter. Next, grab a ruler and measure and cut your sticks into 15 centimeter lengths, which is about 6 inches. You'll need around 15 to 20 sticks to make a ball. Next, grab 2 or 3 sticks and cross them over, making sure each one has an equal length on each side. Then grab some string and start wrapping it around the sticks to hold them in place. I'm using some macrame cord I had lying around, but you could use jute twine, cord, wool, or maybe a very thin piece of rope. As you're wrapping, start adding in the extra sticks and wrap the string around them to hold them in place. Try to fill in all the gaps so you start getting a ball shape. This is a little bit fiddly at first, but don't worry, it'll start to come together the more sticks you add. Once you've added in enough sticks so that it looks nice and spherical, check that all of the sticks look evenly spaced and are even lengths, and then wrap the cord or string through as many angles as you can to keep the shape of the ball nice and secure. Have a good look at it, and if there are any spaces, add in another stick to fill the gap and keep wrapping. Now for some reason I didn't film this part properly, but for the next step I just cut the string, grabbed a glue gun, put some glue into a hole in the center of the ball, and then just pushed the end of the cord tightly into the hole to secure it neatly. Next, find a tube of paint and paint the whole thing, including the string. I painted this one white, but you could experiment with different colors like navy, silver or gold, sage green, baby pink, or whatever color suits your decor. also made a smaller decorative stick ball using 12cm sticks, and I painted it a fresh light blue colour, which I'll show you in a minute. You'll want to keep turning your ball around to make sure you've covered all the pieces from every angle, and some parts may need a touch-up. Wait for the paint to dry, and you now have yourself a very gorgeous decorative stick ball. You'll probably end up wanting to make two like I did. I think these are so elegant and they really add a nice sculptural element to any decor groupings. I'm so happy with the way they've turned out, and best of all, they were completely free. I hope you've enjoyed this DIY, and I'd love to hear how yours turns out, so leave me a comment if you give this one a try. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again very soon in the next one. Bye!